All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I wanted to answer the question of what do you do if it's your turn to change and update your Discord username to the new system and you accidentally clicked out of the window or closed the application and now the pop-up window is gone? And the simple answer is once it's your turn to use the new system, you can just go into your user settings to your main My Account page and change that information whenever you want. So right here, you can change your display name by clicking Edit right here at the top to change the visual name to whatever you want. It doesn't have to be unique. It can contain emojis or whatever you want. And then down here, for your username, it'll probably, if you exit out of the window, it'll probably give you a generic one, whatever the system assumes that you would use based upon your original username. This is your system name. This is what is supposed to be unique about you. This one cannot be a duplicate with anyone else on the planet, or else it'll throw an error. So if you didn't get the chance to properly set this, you can change this whenever you want. The only rule is it has to not be taken already when you want to call dibs on that username. So I hope you found that helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Actually, you know what? Let me just show. So you just have to be able to put in your username and enter your current password here, and then you're done, and it'll change and update automatically across Discord. And it'll give you this little badge that'll tell you who you were originally known by, so people can tell who you used to be in case of confusion. If you want to turn that badge off, all you have to do is go into your profile, and at the bottom is this little toggle that turns on and off this little hashtag legacy username so that nobody knows who you used to be. So if you don't like who you used to be, you can hide that. And yeah, so I hope you found that helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.